Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Raph from B&C Camera. We've got another exciting unboxing for you guys. Once more, Sigma has graciously provided another lens for us to preview, so we're gonna go ahead and do unboxing right now. It is going to be the Sigma 50mm 1.4. This is their newer version. They did make an older version, which is this guy right here. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing. I'm also gonna take it out in the field, just like the last video that I did. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot around with it. But for now, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. All right, right off the get-go, it looks definitely a lot smaller than the original one, so pretty stoked to shoot with this little guy. And little it is, holy cow. There she is. All right, what a beaut of a lens. Alrighty, just like the 60-600 Sport Series lens that I reviewed for the L-mount, the 50mm 1.4 lens that we're looking at today also has a high response linear actuator. Now what that means is pretty simple. The responsiveness is going to be a lot faster and it's going to be a lot more quiet. So if you're doing video, it's going to be very beneficial. It's going to be super duper fast and super duper quiet. Alrighty, let's compare the two now. Alrighty, right off the get-go, as you can see here, it is definitely a lot smaller. In terms of weight, the newer version is a lot lighter. Oh, another cool thing about this guy now is it has finally the built-in aperture control. So it's got, I believe, the lock button right here. Yep. I think this is the D-click. So if we unclick that, nope, D-click might be on this side. So yeah, so you've got the D-click right here. So if you're shooting video, you can transition in and out smoothly. And of course, if you're doing photos, you can click it, have that nice click to it. Of course, this is the lock for the aperture. You put it back here and then lock it, and it's Loctite. Okay, so the major differences between the two, of course, is the size, the weight, and the built-in aperture control ring. Of course, this has the new high response linear actuator, which is going to make the autofocusing again very sharp and very quiet. Alrighty, just like before, we're gonna go ahead and take this bad boy out on the field, and I'm gonna be shooting this with the A7 R5. I am really stoked because I have yet to have shot with the system. The high megapixel count, nice autofocus on it, in conjunction with the 50mm 1.4. It's gonna be a pretty awesome experience. I can't wait. So without further ado, let's go ahead and show you guys how that experience went. Alrighty, so I decided to do a bit of street shooting with the lens here in our lovely city of Las Vegas, Nevada. During the day, I went to Main Street to snap some photos and really showcase the aperture control for video. As you can see, the transition is fairly smooth. Again, this is a solid choice not just for photos, but for video as well. In the evening, I had accompanied some of my colleagues for some nighttime shooting on the strip. Shooting wide open at 1.4 and pairing it in conjunction with the A7 R5 resulted in some amazing images. It's definitely a 1-2 punch if you're wanting to do some street portrait photography. Autofocusing was sharp and fast with that new high response linear actuator. All in all, I had a great time shooting with the lens. And that is the Sigma 50mm 1.4 DG DN Sony E-mount. If you guys found the video helpful and informative, please feel free to give us a like and subscribe. If you guys have any other further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section down below. We'll get to them when we can. This lens will be available at our store at bnccamera.com, so definitely swing by over there to pre-purchase the lens, or if we already have it in stock or if you're buying it in the future, it'll be there for you guys to purchase. Of course, I'm none other than Raph from B&C Camera. I'm looking forward to doing more unboxings and product reviews here in the near future, so definitely stick around for that, and I'll see you guys in another video. See ya.